They're going back to the drawing board, and that's exactly what they needed to do. So we're very pleased to see that happening.
The Center for Biological Diversity and the Kentucky Resources Council filed an intent to sue the Army Corps of Engineers and the Fish and Wildlife Service in February for failing to consider the harm LG&E's proposed Bullitt County natural gas pipeline could do to endangered species in their habitats.
They simply didn't look at the impacts to Indiana bats, gray bats, northern long-eared bats, and Kentucky glade cress, all of which are listed under the Endangered Species Act.
The U.S. Fish and Wildlife Service reconsidered after providing a biological opinion on the pipeline, telling the Corps they needed to go back to the beginning. Now the Corps has removed its Clean Water Act authorization for the pipeline, which is necessary to do the project. LG&E tells WDRB they will continue working with permitting agencies to meet all requirements necessary to complete this important infrastructure project.
It's not typical by any means for the service to reinitiate consultation.
I'm sure there's been other situations where threats have been made to file suit, and the Corps of Engineers and Fish and Wildlife haven't done this. But in this situation, I think the facts were so bad that they had no choice.
John Cox represents some landowners who oppose the project. He says this latest development could have an impact on their cases, especially after a judge ruled LG&E could take their land under Kentucky's eminent domain law.
With this rescinding of the permit, that could delay or even stay the pending appeal of the condemnation case, because if they can't get a permit for the project, they certainly, you wouldn't think, would have a right to condemn property for it.
Perrin DeJong doesn't know how long federal agencies will take to reevaluate the project.
It just shows that they're taking a step back and they're going to take a fresh look at this situation and do their work over again and do it properly this time, we hope.
Dakota Sherrick, WDRB News.